Hi guys, Anton Bayan here with the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate. We have another introduction for you here. Here in centrally located in San Jose, California, we have 108 Poas Cir. This property features 1,000 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 baths. It's been freshly painted with new flooring and recessed lighting. It also has a backyard area with a lemon tree and 2 private exclusive parking spots just for you. That being said, let's take a look around. Stepping into your new home, you'll immediately notice the abundance of natural sunlight that is coming in. And with both window sides facing east and west, there will be no shortage of the natural light. Into the living room, it is very spacious with new recessed lighting and double pane windows. Further into your new home, you're at your very own kitchen with upgraded shaker cabinetry, matching stone countertops, stainless steel appliances, and tile flooring. This kitchen is nicely paired with a dining area that is perfect for a small growing family. Adjacent to the kitchen is your very own in-unit laundry area, packed with Samsung washer and dryer. You'll never need to visit a community laundry center ever again. At ground level, there's also a conveniently located half bathroom for guests, with additional cabinetry next to the laundry area and bathroom. Now on to the second level. Climbing up the staircase, notice the brand new modern style flooring. This new flooring continues all throughout the second level. Up here, there's an updated full bathroom with new lighting fixture, modern vanity. This bathroom is ready to help you get ready for your day-to-day. Into the spacious bedrooms, there's even more natural sunlight coming in. With the new soft tone flooring, double pane windows, generous sized closets, and additional cabinet space, these bedrooms have everything you need not to feel cramped up. To the back of the home is your very own private yard area. It includes a permanent solid wood storage unit, a lemon tree, and a door that opens up directly to both of your exclusive parking spots. Alright guys, you've seen the property and you heard all about it. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.